had informed Mr. Nilesh Kabral 5 days ago that I will be landing in Goa on the 17th in the afternoon by 2 o'clock. He had challenged the Kejriwal model of election and he had said that he wishes to have a public debate on this issue. I accepted the challenge and I said, as a part of the administration of Delhi, as a part of Delhi government, as an MLA, I am coming to Goa to have this debate with you. Now what one is seeing lately is that he is running away from this debate. He is chickening out. He is shying away. It will only be in the interest of democracy and in the interest of people of Goa if a debate like this happens, where people can understand the merits and demerits of both the models, the Kejriwal model of electricity and the BJP model of electricity. Now I am given to understand that the BJP High Command has reprimanded the Goa leadership, has scolded the Chief Minister of Goa and asked him to not indulge in any such public debate. Now imagine a Chief Minister who cannot even participate in a simple debate or let his minister participate in a simple public debate without the permission of the High Command of BJP. Can he govern Goa? Can he fearlessly work for the people of Goa, for the benefit of Goa? The answer is no. This is not about Mr. Kabral or I. It is about the people of Goa. It is about the right of people of Goa to get free electricity. It is about the right of people of Goa to get 24/7 electricity. And I really hope that a public debate happens. And Mr. Kabral, through you, I wish to inform him that I have landed in Goa. I am at the Goa airport with all Aam Aadmi Party supporters and workers and volunteers. And I will await your directions to conduct this debate, to participate in this debate. I really hope that a panel discussion or a debate happens on the issue of electricity and the people can then decipher as to which model is better. I look forward to Mr. Kabral's reward. Thank you.